If you want to start something and you're stuck because of finance, don't be stuck. I started my business with zero finance. So I started my business in 2016. My company is called Engage Oman and it's a full service sales and marketing agency. At the time, we were just two of us working from coffee shops till we rented our own office. We understand the importance of sales for any business, and that's where we come in by providing sales outsourcing services. Our revenue model is simple. We work only when we work on a commission basis. So if we do not close any deal, we do not get money for that. This is 75% of our main business, apart from brand activation, events, promotions and marketing. Very recently, I have also ventured out into a new business that I was extremely passionate about, and that's flowers. It's an online flower delivery service called Flora and Aura, and I call it my COVID baby. So I've always wanted to do my own business. Mentioning 10 years back, I ventured out into my business, but that did not take off. I failed because there was no proper plan or there was no proper vision. I had a baby. So this time when I had to do it, it had to be for real. What was not motivating me was the same salary, and I was just a contributor, and it was time to be an accumulator. And working with so many companies and such amazing bosses, I think they were my inspiration, and today I'm bits and pieces of them. So in business, there are lessons to be learned every day, and we learn different lessons and different challenges faced every day. So my major lessons are, number one, if you want to start something and you're stuck because of finance, don't be stuck. Finance should be the last of your worries. I started my business with zero finance, and the earnings that we got through our initial days, that was put back into as working capital. So it's possible to start a business without finance. Secondly, go the extra mile. Even if you have to do jobs cost to cost, do them, because it's going to help you in the long run. It's one of my favorites and I stick by it even today. Last but not the least, your business is a reflection of your mindset. If you're not focused, it will impact your business. So take care of your mind, body, and health. And don't try to do everything together, because you can always ask for help. As an entrepreneur, we try to do too many things together, and that's when things mess around. Take help. People are around you to help you. Be in the company of mentors.